Today, we're comparing the upcoming Insta360 Luna Pro with the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 because not everyone needs the higher-end Luna Ultra or 4P. While the Luna Pro is still waiting for its official debut, enough information has leaked over the past few days to paint a fairly complete picture. So let's see how it compares to one of the best pocket cameras you can buy today. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 features a 1-inch CMOS sensor, and according to current leaks, the Insta360 Luna Pro is also expected to use a 1-inch CMOS sensor. So on paper, both cameras start on equal footing. Where things begin to differ is the lens. DJI pairs its 1-inch sensor with a 20mm equivalent f2.0 lens, while the Luna Pro is expected to feature a Leica Summicron 20mm equivalent lens with a slightly brighter f1.8 aperture. That wider aperture lets in roughly 23% more light, which could help produce cleaner footage in low light conditions by allowing the camera to use lower ISO values. It may also create slightly more background separation when you're close to your subject, although with a 1-inch sensor, the difference won't be huge. Moving on to video, the Pocket 4 records up to 4K at an impressive 240 frames per second, giving creators plenty of flexibility for slow motion shots. The Luna Pro is also expected to focus on high frame rate 4K recording, although probably not at 240 frames per second. Most likely, 240 frames per second will be available at 1080p. There have also been a few leaks hinting at possible 8K recording on the Luna Pro, but until that's confirmed, it's best to treat it as speculation. So depending on whether you prioritize ultra-high frame rates or higher resolution, one camera may suit you better than the other. Dynamic range is another area where these cameras appear closely matched. DJI rates the Pocket 4 at around 14 stops, and current Luna Pro leaks also point to roughly 14 stops. If those numbers hold true, both cameras should do a great job preserving detail in bright highlights while keeping shadows clean. When it comes to color, the Luna Pro starts to get interesting. DJI offers D-Log-M with 10-bit recording, while the Luna Pro is expected to support 10-bit iLog along with Leica color profiles. For creators who enjoy color grading, both cameras should provide plenty of flexibility. Stabilization is one area where DJI has built a very strong reputation. The Pocket 4 relies on a 3-axis mechanical gimbal to deliver incredibly smooth footage. Based on what we've seen so far, the Luna Pro is also expected to feature a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, and it's likely to benefit from Insta360's flow state stabilization as well. But while subject tracking, the general consensus is that DJI's active track system is currently more reliable and consistent. The display is one area where the Luna Pro could genuinely stand out. DJI continues using its built-in 2-inch rotating touchscreen, which works extremely well for solo creators. Meanwhile, the Luna Pro is expected to feature a detachable 2-inch OLED display that also doubles as a wireless remote, making it easier to frame shots from a distance. That could be especially useful if you vlog, film presentations, or frequently shoot without someone behind the camera. Weight is another potential advantage for the Luna Pro. The Pocket 4 weighs around 190.5 grams, while the Luna Pro is expected to come in at roughly 150 grams. 40 grams may not sound like much, but if you're holding the camera for hours while traveling or filming, you'll probably appreciate the lighter setup. Battery capacity is almost identical, but of course, similar battery capacities don't always translate into similar battery life, since processor efficiency, software optimization, and heat management all play a major role. Storage is another difference. DJI gives you 107 gigabytes of built-in storage in addition to microSD card support, so you can start recording even if you've forgotten a memory card. The Luna Pro is expected to rely primarily on microSD cards, although we do expect it to include some built-in storage as well, possibly around 47 gigabytes, but that's still unconfirmed. Audio is another area where both cameras are aimed squarely at creators. DJI has built an excellent ecosystem around its mic series, and the Pocket 4 itself includes 3 built-in microphones capable of 4-channel audio recording. According to current information, the Luna Pro is also expected to feature 3 built-in microphones with 4-channel audio recording, putting both cameras on fairly equal footing. Finally, there's the price. Current rumors suggest the Luna Pro could launch at around $150 more than the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Whether the extra cost is justified will depend on the final feature set once the camera is officially announced. And for viewers in the United States, there's another factor worth considering. Given DJI's ongoing regulatory uncertainty in the US, some creators may find the Insta360 ecosystem to be the safer long-term investment. So that's our comparison between the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 and the upcoming Insta360 Luna Pro. Once the Luna Pro is officially announced, we'll revisit this comparison with the final specifications to see how accurate these leaks turned out to be. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know which camera you'd pick in the comments below. Peace.